Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see that how we can add a post with an image. So let's start. For that, go to your WordPress site dashboard and then go to plugins area. Then you need to click on add new, and from here we are going to download a new plugin, that is Elementor. Press enter. Now click on the first one. I have already installed, then I just need to activate the plugin. Now here it's done. Now we want to add a post with images, so for that I'm going to post area, click on add new post. So here we get this default editor by WordPress, and this is the Elementor editor. So first of all I'm going to show that how you can add content through WordPress default editor, then we will look at the Elementor editor. I have some content, so we are going to use that. I'm going to put some content here. So for example, this line. Okay, here it's giving us some options to align our content and to make it bold. Like you can align it right, left, but we want it in left. We can bold the content by selecting it, bold. It will help you to give an italic look to your site, and this is the option to add a permalink, but currently we do not need it, so we will look at after later. And here it's giving an option to change the view of our site, that we of our content, that we want a heading, we want a list style, code column, group, and what we want. So currently we want only a paragraph, so I think it's okay. Now go and click on publish now. Okay, here we can see our post. So this is our post. Now we are going to edit this post with Elementor. Click on element, edit with Elementor. Now you can edit our post from here easily. Just imagine that I want to add an image just below this content, so click on add. I'm using this fun block option. Click here, and now you need to drag this image option here. Okay, it's done. Now we need to select image for our blog. So I'm choosing any one of the image, like this one image. Click on open. Insert media. Now we have inserted our media. Now we are going to add some content. Now you can get all options by clicking here. Click on text editor. It's giving some default text. Select all and press backspace. Now I'm going to select this, paste it here, and it's done. Okay, now it's done until here. I'm just going to click add a one more point, and then we are going to edit. So this is our last point. Make bold to the line. You can even change its type, like now it's a paragraph, you can change it to heading, little bit longer, but currently I'm using this bold option. Okay, so click on update. From here you can get a preview of your changes you have done just now. Okay, now you can see that our blog is looking something like this. Okay, I hope it's clear to you. You do not have any issue until here. Now we are going to add some tags and defining our category for this blog. So go back. Now you need to choose a category for your blog. So this doesn't belong from any of these two, so I'm going to add a new category, that is social media. Click on add category, and I'm going to use a few tags for this blog that will help me to rank on Google. So the first tag I'm going to use is social media. 15 mistakes. Okay, now it's okay that for that for using tracks we need to do a complete research for that. So we will do this later. Click on update, and here we have updated our first post with image. Can go and click on refresh, and here you can see our category, and then you will be able to see your tags in last option. Okay, I think it's clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through comment section. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.